Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock and what can we be expecting from Nvidia going in this week. Is a rebound likely? Are we forming a near-term bottom on Nvidia? Let's take a look at all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. Now, before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, I'm on the daily interval on Nvidia. Now, the very first thing I want to show you is the structure, and that is still bearish on the daily interval. And not just on the daily interval, we are still bearish on the weekly interval as well on Nvidia. This is the weekly interval. Let me turn off the tools. So this is weekly interval and we are still bearish. All right, so when I turn on the tools as well. So nothing has really changed in the structure for Nvidia. Now, why there is a possibility of a rebound? And is that a possibility? Well, there are a couple of reasons for that. Now, for the first part is there's a channel that Nvidia is in, and it's right at the bottom of that. Even though I like to use mostly the levels, the demand and the supply zones, but the more confluence we can put together, the better, right? So, and for me, using the channels is, second to third priority after the demand and the supply zones. So as we'll go through the demand and supply zones in just a second, the channel that is building up is, again, it's not going to be penny to penny perfect as I'm drawing it, but I'll try to give you a sense of it. All right, so there's this channel around here. It's a, just serving our purpose. Okay, use them as a reference areas, and the lines don't use them penny to penny, right? And wow, it's really bright. Let me lower down its intensity here. Okay, yeah, here we go. So we are almost getting to the bottom, like scraping the bottom around it. We are not fully down there, but it's just around the corner, right? So, and also combining this together with the price action, and that is, it's a little bit consolidating. Even though, as I just showed you the structure earlier in this video, even on the daily interval, we are still in the negative structure, and it's not bullish, but we are consolidating a little bit over here from last 4 days, all right, in this very zone, which is also bottom of the channel, almost. Now, going to the hourly interval, all right, now we'll talk about intraday levels as well. Let me, you got my point, right? The understanding of the channel. I'm going to get rid of this channel because it's creating a lot of noise on the chart and it's coming in the way of explaining the things, all right? I'm going to get rid of that. So on the hourly interval, all right, we are still technically in the downtrend, but there is a rebound that can build up. Okay, 110 I called out 2 days ago as well. That, guys, if we lose this area of 115, watch out for this 110 retest, and we got that, right? So, and after, well, getting that, we are rebounding today, as I showed you, bottom of the almost the channel, and also at a significant level, a little bit of a support coming up. If we can get above $113, all right, this intraday rebound can continue, or multi-day rebound can build up, and we can test 180. But you'll just have to take it as a rebound only. All right, I'll provide you until where this rebound potential is possible. But take it as a rebound. Again, there is no guarantee how much of a rebound would come. Just like in the uptrend, we don't know how much of a pullback would come. That's why we don't know how much of a rebound would come in the downtrend, because technically overall structure is in the downtrend unless we change the structure as well, which we'll talk about that in just a second. So 113 and above, its strength can continue at least for another day all the way to 180. But you'll just have to take it as rebounds or things along those lines. Anyhow, if we lose anytime 110, guys, it's just a weakness again, and yeah, we'll just continue lower, right? It's pretty much that, right? And even if we don't break out above 113, even lingers around here, since it has started to form a double bottom and consolidation, I would suggest just avoid trading between 110 and 113. Let it break out in either direction for a potential good move, even for the day trade, right? And if you're in the overall structure or trading swing, you already know what the overall structure is, right? You're already making money on that. Now, until where this, as if this rebound builds up, right? And until where that possibility is. So we'll get back to the, we'll have to put the channel back again. Again, it's there's no guarantee the rebound will happen that much, but it just helps you to a little bit gauge where the things are heading. Now, this channel has a room this coming week potentially for Nvidia, as if the rebound continues, 118 the first target, and eventually we'll see how much strength it can build up throughout this whole journey. But 125 to 126 retest is possible. Again, we'll still have to hold on to that intraday strength turning into multi-day strength. We'll still have to pick up the structure from there because overall we are negative. And even if we come all the way to 126, this will still be just a rebound. I know you'll be like, what? No, well, I'm kidding. But yeah, it's quite a move. From 112 to 126, it's quite a move. But it's not going to change overall structure bullish. It can give a little bit of bullishness until there, but it will still keep Nvidia in the downward technically structure weekly interval, because we have lost, well, I should say we have a lot of supply zones, double top, broke the neckline, and have a lower high as well. Bears are in a lot of control, not even actually until just 126. That's just a rebound possibility, right? But bears are still in control even until 131 right now overall. So, and on the weekly interval, as if this rebound comes, that pretty much the potential of lower high will still remain, because we have already, I'm going to just use the line here now, because we have already activated lower highs and lower lows. All right, so you'll just have to take it as a rebound unless and until later eventually we see a structure change. But right now, that's not what I'm seeing. All right, that will take 2 weeks. Like if Nvidia has to full on become bullish, that's right now is at least week to 2 weeks away. Yes, it will take Nvidia a proper structure to build up on bullish side, at least 1 week to 2 weeks. So yeah. Now, and anyhow, if any time we continue to lose this 112, eventually 110, $100 is a magnet. Eventually, even if that doesn't happen this week, as we stay in the downward structure, $100 is the magnet. All right. That's where I would be a little bit interested to see if Nvidia has a really can turn around, but market would have to support that. And right now things are in the market, yeah, they're building a little bit to rebound, but overall there is still a lot to do on the on Nvidia side to turn itself around full on bullish or whatnot. Right now things are really negative. And well, if you, and for the day trading, guys, as I said, just use the tools, right? And if I turn on my tools on my easy day and swing trading side, you can see that we had a little bit of an uptrend. The tools will help you to understand what the structure is. Accordingly, you'll make your moves. And then we had a downward bearish play as well. Then it's a rebound. We got a good rebound as well there. So just use the tools to make the day trading decisions. You can use these tools across any interval, and right. So yeah, and if you need access to the tools, check out the details in the description of this video. And also if you're interested in, actually this is not just anymore 50 plus stocks coverage, it's 60 plus stocks coverage. I have to update the thumbnail here. But anyways, if you are interested in trading tools as well, check out all the details are in the description of this video. All right. Okay, that's all I had for you guys in this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, guys. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care. Bye.